And I'm uploading this video because I wanted it to be organic, authentic. I want you as the viewer to experience me in essence. What you are experiencing here is what you'll experience in person, unscripted. I have something, and I have a divine purpose, and that purpose is to serve you. And by you coming, I will serve you. You just have to trust, visit my site. My work precedes me, and the fact that I can sit here and I can articulate all these things, it's nothing more than a mere condensed introduction of what the variables, the variances of my abilities, the level of the depth and proficiency I have at it, and my ability to be competent and proficient at that. And I think this is where expertise come into the equation. I'm not saying that I am just saying that I will be quite a unique individual to add to your team.